Dryer sheets ba?
Ito na.
Paano yun dyan? Igada?
Yep. Good morning, guys. Today we're gonna do something different for the vlog.
Sun in the sky, sun in the sky, you know how I feel.
Okay, today we're gonna view a restaurant called Harvest 18. We're gonna check out what they got, see if their food's great.
Birds flying high. Breeze drifting on by, you know how I feel. Birds flying high. Sun in the sky, sun in the sky, you know how I feel.
One of the important things in a restaurant is the bathroom. Bathroom.